Today we're looking at a 2003 Cigarette 36 Gladiator. This is a LipShip Edition boat. It was featured at the 2003 Miami Boat Show. Sits on a custom triple axle trailer, aluminum construction with custom wheels and a matching spare. Gorgeous custom paint. Vincent Custom painted this boat. Features a custom alcantara interior. Twin Richie Zul built 700 engines, 760 horsepower apiece. Beautiful pearl effect in the paint. We've got Bravo XR drives with Sportmaster lowers, ITS transoms, Drive Guardians, K-plane trim tabs with cigarette logos. We've got 4-blade stainless props. Low hours on the package, just 15 hours. Highly reflective. Does include a snap-on cockpit cover. Deep V-stepped hull. Sleek rub rail free design. See, the nose is flawless. Rear hatch with air inlet scoops, matching paint, Richie Zul logos. Very slick. Coming up to the cockpit, see the top of the headrest, got cigarette logo. Beautiful full alcantara interior, soft and plush. Custom stitching, step pads, rear bench seat design. There is some storage underneath. Matching paint up on the helm. Gaffer custom gauges, color matched bezels, drive and tab indicators. Wraparound pad. Battery switches under the rear seat. Polished controls, cup holders, Fusion Apollo Bluetooth receiver, Garmin 743 GPS chart plotter. Got cigarette billet step pads in the footwell. Look at the depth on the paint on the fairing. This really is a great looking boat. We've got a push-button power engine hatch. Custom paint underneath that hatch. Beautiful motors. Super clean engine room. Polished stainless headers. Exhaust tubes. Custom paint on the flame arresters. Everything is crisp how it should be. Cigarette battery trays, accents. Again, just 15 hours on the refresh. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 847-458-6488. We do update our full inventory daily at grandsportscenter.com. Like, subscribe, share. As always, thank you for watching.